We truly enjoyed ourselves and we had fun, so much fun that we had to go dancing and celebrating the vibe. And the rest of us joined the dance. After a long entertainment and a long journey, we finally arrived at ByGrace Children's home, whereby we were welcomed by their manager, who was so happy to see us, and it was so fun. Everyone participated in carrying whatever we had come with, so the offloading was easy, and the rest of the team was just carrying them to one specific point so that we can start the day. Surprisingly, what we had thought we were coming to do, we just found them. They have already prepared for us some yummies to eat. They had mandazis for us and also some fruits, watermelon, which is healthy. So we were welcomed with these fruits and a cup of tea. It was so yummy. We thank you so much, ByGrace Children. Each and every person enjoyed to serve themselves, so we ate and forgot ourselves. Finally, after being welcomed in, everything was taken in the kitchen and we had to start our duty, the call that had taken us to ByGrace Children's home. So we divided ourselves into groups. Some had to do the dishes in the kitchen. Others had to remove the clothes on the clothing line and go fold them for the kids and put them well. And the energetic ones, they had to go and fetch firewood from outside and put them in a shed. Another group was putting the fire up so that they can prepare a meal for the kids. Yes, we also had to prepare a meal for them so that they can feel the goodness of having different people prepare them a meal. Our bosses were not left behind either, so we had to do this as a team. So, as you can see, our dear Madam Boss was busy scrubbing the cooking pot so that we can prepare a very delicious meal for the kids. We all did this in partnership. Some people put the fire, others are washing dishes, others are picking up the firewood, and others are busy lighting the fire here so that we can cook. So it was a communal work that was done perfectly and peacefully. We enjoyed doing this together. The group that was picking clothes from the clothing, they came inside and started folding those clothes one by one and sorting them out in different sizes and different wears. Our githeri is ready to be fried. So guys, let us go in and do the cooking together. All this was done with each and everything. Joining hands. Then all the other chores were done, picking up of clothes in the clothesline, folding them, cleaning the dishes, picking the firewood, and cooking was going on. Some of the people decided no, it's time to wash clothes for these kids because they need to have nice and clean clothes. So people came together and did it, whereas another team was busy here preparing the onions and other things to prepare our githeri. Kitchen done. Now everything is the same. Very All the other chores were done. Kids were so excited and happy to bring their clothes. In fact, they brought everything, including what they had saved for 2 weeks ago. It was not clean. So they brought everything here for washing. And you can see it's all being done by everyone. Singing and enjoying the vibe of helping the kids clean. Wow, that's amazing. Time to start preparing our meal. We're frying everything. Our madam is very busy. Thank you, Madam Eunice, for doing it. And here, I'm busy enjoying time with the kids. This kid truly fell in love with me and liked me a lot. Wow, it feels so good to be loved. And now it's group time. Time to have fun with the kids. All the groups are divided from kids, girls, and young men who had different topics for different discussions.
Yes. Clap for her. Yes, that is the painting. So, God cannot just wake up and say, I want to forgive you. It's for you to know that, hey, leo aki nilikosea tu mtu.
Because you didn't want to cook the chapatis, yeah? You start giving people crackle, instead of chapatis, yeah? But if you blend that flour well, lovingly, yeah? You'll have nice, soft chapatis to give to your visitors, yeah? Yes? Loving chapatis. You know, loving chapatis when you eat, you even eat them smiling. They taste good. But those ones that people struggle with, they even hurt your teeth. If you have a bad tooth, so rewards and you will always be rewarded for your effort, for your good effort that you put in an exercise that you do. So kama mimi niko mwalimu natia bidii kwa kila tafanya nini na nini ili niwe mwalimu. Tafanya nini na nini ili niwe mtaalamu. Tafanya nini na nini ili niwe nenda. Usitamani kitu ambacho na kama fanya nini? Uweke tu. Ufikie hiyo kitu kwa maisha yako. Kutengeneza lengo. Hivyo ni unataka ufanye nini?
I am fearfully wonderfully made. I am fearfully wonderfully made. I'm gonna stand up like a soldier, raise my hands up as I'm gonna sing my song and then I do like this. I am fearfully wonderfully made. I am fearfully wonderfully made. I'm gonna stand up like a soldier, raise my hands up as I'm gonna sing a song and then I do them all. I am fearfully wonderfully